we're in Dania Beach, Florida. It's right next to Fort Lauderdale, right on the water. We have a pool that was just remodeled. They put a new drain in, but they never tested the pipe to see if the pipe was good. Turned out, after the whole job's done, patio is in, there's a broken pipe underneath the pool that they didn't catch. So once the rain lets up, I'm gonna go out and we're gonna set everything up, and I'll check in with you in just a second. So let me tell you about what we're doing. We're putting a solution into the pipe. It's a two-part solution. It's so you don't have to dig up the whole entire pipe. We put the solution in, it goes to wherever the break is or the opening is, and it clogs it up, kind of like a blood clot. And then we stick a hardener in and it gets hard, and that seals the pipe up. All right, so we put in the solution into the pipe, let it run for a couple hours. Then we put another solution in the pipe, it's a hardener, and now we pressured it up to see if it worked. And guess what? It worked. So I'm gonna show you the gauge. You can see it, see the pressure? It's been like that for 30 minutes so far. So, hasn't moved, call that a success. This pipe is fixed. Open it. No glue, no more ice.